If you are looking to get monetized fast on your YouTube channel, come here. This video is for you. Now, in case you don't know, on my very first channel, I stayed on YouTube like for almost 4 years until I now decided that, come on, this YouTube, like, what is wrong with you? And then I now started seeing some things. I started putting some things into check, and guys, before 6 months, that channel got monetized. Now, my second channel, I started it this month, April, right? And this is this particular channel. And between April and when was that? I think 1 month ago or so, I monetized this channel. Guys, let me just tell you some of the things that I did. Okay, do you understand? There are some basic things that every content creator should know so that you can actually get monetized within that space of 365 days, because it is actually very, very possible. And those are the things I'm going to be sharing with you on today's video. No, and nothing far-fetched, like from my own personal experience. And if this is your first time meeting me, hello beautiful, I'm Glory C, and this is Life with Glory C, where I share with you my journey as a content creator and also mistakes that you need to avoid if you want to grow well on YouTube, and tips and strategies that you want to imbibe so that you can grow your channel and get your channel monetized fast, just like this particular video. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become a part of this family. And do not forget to give this particular video a big thumbs up so it can get to a lot more people like you. Let everybody get monetized this year. So I'll be giving you 12 tips, and trust me, these 12 tips are like tips for a masterclass, but I'm going to be sharing it for free on this particular video. Now, one thing is, I feel like a lot of people overthink this YouTube thing. I've always said it, like, whatever it is that you want to do, just start doing it on YouTube. Whatever it is you want to post, just start posting it on YouTube. Personally, I did not wait until I figured everything all out, both on my first channel and this channel. Everything I know that I wanted to start doing, I started to do it yet. So number one is, you don't actually need a niche. That's the truth. The first thing is, just everything that you feel like doing, put it out there. How would someone who is just starting a YouTube channel be sure of what to do? Most times those are the questions that I get both on YouTube and outside YouTube. People ask me, I want to start a YouTube channel, but what do I even focus on? I like this, I like that. What do I focus on? The thing is, focus on everything that you love. With time, you will now start getting to know the ones that you tilt towards easily, the ones that it's so easy for you to film. You are happy editing it, like you're always looking forward to even watch it after you must have uploaded that video. Because you know what, it is only when you do things that you know that you really love, that's when that creativity will flow, and that's when your authenticity will really, really show. And that's what people really fall in love with, your authenticity, not all the lights and equipment. Now, this next one is very important. When I noticed that, oh, my channel started picking up, because of course I started posting different videos, and eventually the channel started picking up. I started jumping on trends. In fact, like anything I just see that I know that I know how to do it on YouTube. Like this thing, I've seen this and I know that it's something that I know, and that thing is doing very well. I'll go ahead and I'll do it. You can go ahead and check my other videos on this particular channel. You can even go to my first channel and check, although I've unlisted some of those other videos because I was putting different things. Like if I want to start up different other channels, I could just go back there and pick ideas from the things I was doing there. Remember, I will always tell you that you never can tell the exact video that is going to peak. So do everything that you love to do and just do it freely. Whatever comes to mind, go ahead and post it. Immediately I noticed that my views started picking up. Guys, I did not just wait though. I went back to my channel setting immediately. I started fixing everything. I started fixing my about section, you know, that part in the desktop version of your YouTube studio where you have to fix your advanced settings, your channel settings, your upload defaults, profile picture. That was when I went, if you can remember, that was when I actually went to put my profile picture, because initially what was on my profile picture was just a letter, I think letter L. Also, that was my profile picture, if you can still remember. So I now went to put a good profile picture that you can see there right now. There are some key settings that if you do not have them on your channel, it is really, really going to be drawing your channel back. You're going to be putting a lot of effort, yet you're not going to, you know, be getting the results. So go over to your desktop version and properly set up your channel. Now, another thing I now started doing was to start engaging my community tab. You see that community tab? It is a blessing. Like, it is a blessing, because it's easy for people to subscribe to you. It's easy for people to start falling in love with your personality. That's one thing people do not know. You see your community tab and your live stream. You want to harness those things very well. I started posting consistently. Like, I was posting consistently. Now, consistently doesn't actually mean posting daily. I'm sorry, this is actually my day. I think what's today's date? I think, okay, my day 2. of posting on this particular channel, my September challenge. It's an upload daily challenge. So let's see how far we can go. Now let me break it there. Let me stop and tell you something. Consistently doesn't necessarily mean uploading daily. No. No. If you watch my first channel, the video I uploaded yesterday, I talked about how you can actually tell when to post your next video. You can actually post 4 times a week. You can post 3 times a week. Do you understand? You are still being consistent as long as you are posting every week. YouTube actually love active channels. So if your channel is on YouTube, it will keep pushing it out. But do not leave your channel for days and say you want to rest. Guys, I tried it on this channel and I know what my eyes saw. I tried it on my first channel. I know what my eyes saw. So you don't want to just leave your channel and take a break. It really harms YouTube channel. Is this other thing? Trust me, this one helped my channel. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not even going to lie. You see end screens and cards. They really helped my channel. I feel like they are underrated. See, the moment I noticed that some of my videos started going viral, each video that I upload, so the strategy I was using was I went ahead to change my end screen setting to, you know, that template that you have there. I went ahead to change it to latest video, or is it newest video? So that means any video that I upload newly, all my end screens for all my videos are carrying that newly uploaded video. Do you understand my point? So that means every video I upload, my older videos were pushing them out, we're pushing. Guys, it helps me. I'm not even going to lie. End screens are really underrated. Now another thing that I now did was, because I have a first channel, because I can't actually remove this fact, okay, because I have a first channel, I was also using that channel to promote this one, because I would just post on my community tab on that first channel. So that one was also helping me. I started replying to every comment. Like I treated my comment section like gold. Because one thing you don't know is that your comment section actually helps to build engagement, helps to build loyalty on your channel. Okay, so I started responding to every comment. This person, even if the person just says "don't waiting," I'll go there and put love or something. Do you understand? Because I just wanted that engagement to start building and pushing out my channel out there. Now another thing is, you see, when it comes to my playlist, if you check this channel now, you'll see how organized my playlist is. I have my playlist for my gist section, I have my playlist for my YouTube growth section, I have my playlist for my lifestyle kind of vlog section. So I organize it so anybody that comes there and wants to watch something, they can easily go to what they want and watch, and they'll be satisfied. Do you understand? Then I know that I'm not perfect when it comes to thumbnails and all of that, but I decided to start, test running different types of thumbnails. If you check through my channel, you see I was now test running. Okay, will this one work? So when I now noticed that, oh, this particular thumbnail for this video, it went viral, that particular thumbnail was what I now started to use. But you notice that sometimes I do not just stick on it. I try to test run to see, oh, okay, is there going to be a change if I change the thumbnail? And so guys, just be flexible. And then one thing about titles is you can actually use your titles to go viral, because there's a way you can strategically place titles. So one bonus tip I'm going to give you when it comes to your title is, when you want to film a particular topic, so let's assume I want to film on how I monetize my channel fast. I'm just going to go ahead and look for like 5 different keywords for that particular topic. Now when I look for 5 different keywords, all I just need to do is to look for how to put in those keywords into a sentence. Trust me, it works 100% of the time. It works. So it means your title is going to be very SEO optimized. So the last thing is I now started to share my videos. And aside that, the thing is, I had different accounts. So immediately I upload a particular video, I'm going to my other accounts, and I have 2 phones, right? I'm watching from the beginning to the end. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to switching to the next account, watching from the beginning to the end, and I'm commenting, I'm liking. But the thing is, some of those likes, especially, YouTube doesn't count them. That's the truth. YouTube doesn't count them, because I'm using just 2 devices and I'm watching from like 4-5 accounts. I would go ahead and share to my shorts, share to my community tab. Guys, do not underrate your community tab. This is the second time I'm saying it. It really helps. Do you understand? I wasn't really sharing outside of YouTube, but if you have an audience outside of YouTube, you can still promote it there. It is also okay. You know, there are still some people that feel like they have to wait until they have all the equipment. Do not wait until you have everything. Go ahead and start it now. The thing is, you'll be learning while you post your videos, and who knows, maybe it is even while you're learning, your video will start to go viral. So guys, do not forget, I take both YouTube and video editing one-on-one coaching session. I also have a September 13 general coaching session that is coming up, and if you've not signed up for it, you want to go ahead and sign up for it. I'm going to be teaching you everything about your YouTube studio, because one thing people do not know is, as a YouTube content creator, inside that your YouTube studio, there is a lot of gold, diamond, name it, that would help you on your channel. Trust me, my YouTube studio helped me a lot. Reading my analytics, reading my graphs, checking my impressions, most of the things that I was using my YouTube studio to tell when to post, when not to post, or when to adjust this thing on this video, when not to adjust. And that's what I'm going to be teaching. I'm going to be teaching you the A to Z, everything you need to know about your YouTube studio. And I'm only taking 20 people. Guys, the price goes for just 5,000 naira. Like, where else will you get something as affordable as this? Anyways, to sign up for this, you can just chat me up on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link to my Instagram page in the description box of this video. Just chat me up and I will sign you up for it. September 13, don't miss it though. Don't miss it though, because after this, my one-on-one sessions, the prices are back to their normal. You get. Okay, so do not forget to watch this particular video where I shared a lot of vital information that's going to help you grow fast on YouTube. And I'll see you either in class or this video. Until then, keep winning. Mwah.